Hello, my friends. We are a tutorial step by step to take you to the awesome Book VIP vacations packages that you will see in our tutorial. Basically, we teach you how to go to the website and how to book the vacation deals that are the most affordable to you and for your family. So, on bookvip.com, basically, we review this is a company that has vacation deals to many places around the world, especially in Mexico. So the first package we're going to introduce you to is a $3.99 per couple package that includes all your drinks, meals, and um, eatery for what is known as an extension of many days, and you get kids free. So it's two adults and two kids that are free. And in this tutorial, we're going to show you how easy it is to book a vacation paradise package to the beach and any location, basically to the United States or to Mexico, Jamaica. And it can be done through watching what we're about to show you, and we're going to get started. So why should you go through our tutorials? You should subscribe, click like, and share on your Facebook because it helps us deliver the content of blogging and reviewing all the details on how to find this website called bookvip.com to reserve your vacations because it's a lot of information and you'll see this now. So thank you and let's get started. Look at the website bookvip.com. This is where we're going to book the Cancun, Mexico tutorial deal for you. Available year-round, Cancun, Mexico. Search. Okay, so Cancun, Mexico vacation deal. Scroll down. Look at what is known as the third one. Hotel, $3.99. 5 days, 4 nights in a deluxe suite. It includes all the meals, food, drinks, everything, snacks. 2 adults and 2 children under the age of 12. The entire trip is just $3.99 for 5 days, 4 nights. I'm going to click on this hotel and it's unlimited meals, drinks, and alcohol. You get $500 credit money to spend at this hotel, and you get $300 Book VIP credit to spend at another vacation deal. Click on it, and it's the beautiful hotel you've ever seen. It's clean, nice. You get dishware, everything, refrigerator, towels. It's luxurious. It is quiet. Food is delicious. And this is the Cancun, Mexico deal from 5-star Cancun Beach Resort. Just remember, this is just for the hotel. There's no airplane, there's no travel car deal available to you. So if you want a spa, it's free because you have a $500 credit. And go down again. So just remember, what we're telling you in this tutorial is each hotel is different, and if you want to buy it, you have to click on reserve it now. And we're going to keep clicking through the pictures. So I'm just clicking here. Scuba diving is free because you have a $500 credit. Reserve, when you click reserve, that's how you buy the deal. Okay? If you like our tutorial, please subscribe, click like, and share on your Facebook. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button to the right-hand side. That helps us. So you'll see more details that we will review. If you forget, you'll forget. So we're just clicking through the images, and it brought us back to all the images, and we'll go back. We're going to go back to the starting page. So where did I find my deal? I'm going to go up again. Book VIP vacation deals, Cancun, Mexico, right here. I say what I searched for you in this tutorial and review. 100% great deal. We scroll through the hotels. We stopped at the $3.99 deal, and we showed you what's available. Okay, and the hotel. Make sure if you want to upgrade, the 1-bedroom suite is an upgrade for $4.99 bigger room. You can view the deal. When you view the deal, make sure you know you're getting the upgraded suite. You still get the $500 activity and $300 Book VIP credit. Reserve, click now. So it's awesome. Go back And here's a 5 beaches hotel and residence. Look right here. This is a different deal. I want you to see this. For $497, you get 2 adults, 2 children again. The room is deluxe, okay? So it's a different deal. Okay, the 5 beach hotel residence, and look at the hotel again. Every deal is different, every detail is different. If you want a hotel that has no children, we can get you that too from this Book VIP vacation. This is a tutorial and review. Every deal has something to offer. So this is a deal, where you have, different sorts of uh, vacation packages. So I'm going to go back because you get the idea so far. Let's scroll down. I'm going to show you another deal. See, this one has children under the age of 18. So if you have big children, they're more than 12 years old, it's still free. But you have to book this hotel. And the price is the same. Very good, right? All meals and drinks are included. So on and so forth. Click right here. Here's the deal again. Hit click reserve when you want to buy a deal. Why choose bookvip.com? Right here, BookVip did a great job. And it is a phenomenal deal. I will say this. I booked through them. I booked an Orlando, Florida deal for myself. So they're great, great. Anyways, we're going to move on and show you, make sure you read all the inclusive details. And it'll tell you water sports are available on the hotel's marina, state-of-the-art gym, all sorts of great, fun packages. And they'll tell you about their restaurants, So they have a Mexican restaurant, they have a seafood, just a lot of things available in each hotel. Amenities, which tells you what is the other stuff they have available, like medical services if you get sick, fishing, tennis, currency exchange. Remember, you're going to go from a currency exchange, so you need to know all this. What is currency exchange? Basically, it means if you come from like America in dollars, you're going to be in Mexico. That's where this is located, Cancun. So you'll need your passport and you need to change your money to Mexican money. And they help you do that, So it's available there. So other places you can only do it at the airport, but here you need to know that you can do it at this resort. Make sure you reserve the vacation package you like. I'm going to go up again, scrolling up. Okay, keep scrolling. Okay, and hit the back button. I just wanted to show you how different each package is. Look, the last package is $6.99 and it's 2 kids and 11 and under free. The first package was 18 and under. So every package is different, my friends. You can just go through this hotel. The Sandoz Play Card on their 4th package does not include a kids package. We're going to take you to an all-adult ultra luxury. Each hotel is different. That's what we're saying. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and show you a hotel that does not include kids. There'll be no kids at all because the hotel does not allow it. You want privacy. It's a more of an adult lounge area, and we're going to show you. So you can see now that everything is different, on each. But these are partnerships. These are hotels that are in partnership with each other. And this bookvip.com, this is an ultra adult Cancun resort. So you cannot find kids here. No kids are available. Okay? There will be no children. So we're going to click in it because that's what you want, your privacy. So you get a Book VIP credit, 300 resort, so on and so forth. So it's just beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful. I will click on bookvip.com and I'm going to go back because I actually should have just gone back. I'll just go back one more time. Okay? So this is the Cancun, Mexico deal right here. Okay, we start from here. Remember, anytime you get lost, just click on bookvip.com and type in Cancun. I spelled it incorrectly. Cancun, Mexico, and hit search. Go down to whichever hotel you are wanting. If it's the first one, it's the first one for the $3.99. Okay. So I will scroll down and scroll a little bit more. I'm going to hit double scroll because I'm going a little faster for you so you don't become bogged down. Every deal, you have to click on the view deal, okay? If you want this deal, you have to click on this view deal. This is the unlimited luxury Cancun resort, like most people ask. It's very luxurious. This one has up to 4 children and 2 adults, so 6 people stay for free. Just remember, each deal is different. Whenever you like a deal, remember to click view deal. If you don't hit view deal, you don't know which deal you're getting. And that's where people get lost on the bookvip.com website. They don't know. So if I want the ultra adult only Cancun restaurant, if I click the first one, look, it just brings me to this 119. Let me show you the pictures, okay? So it's beautiful. It really is. But no children are allowed to stay, not on this hotel premises, because it is for adults only. So you can have some privacy, romantic time, honeymoon, even kiss your boyfriend, girlfriend, that sort of thing. So it's not that they don't want kids, it's just because they're not going to allow it. The source is different in terms of vacationing package. So we're going to go back. Here it is. So when I went back, it brought me back to the site and I'm going down. You can see the amount of hotels. There are over 12 to 16 hotels on this site for Cancun, Mexico. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. I mean, my voice gets lost almost making these tutorials. There's so many. And this is an inspirational river Mayan adult only. Basically, adults are only allowed, and they have great just activities booked for you and stuff if you'd like. This is another hotel that I love. All hotels are great, as you can see. So I'm going to stop clicking and go back. By now, you know what bookvip.com is and how to go through it. I'm going to just finish it by scrolling down. Once you get to this bottom page, right here, it shows you the ending of all the packages available to you. So the Cancun, Mexico packages, when you scroll down and you see this little icon, that's it. There are no other packages to that travel site. Hit bookvip.com again. It brings me back here, okay? This is only for vacation hotel accommodations. You do not get airplane tickets. You don't get traveling cars. You can't. This package does not include a rental car. Okay, and there are many packages are great. So this is hot weekly deals, deals by location. You can see if you want to go to France. You can go to France. So it just depends on where you want to go. So it it's up to you. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they do not. They have Italy, as they were showing you, and it's a hit or miss. So we're just showing different packages. So sometimes they'll say, sorry, we currently do not have any of our exclusive promotional packages. Sometimes they do. That's why they have Italian, Alps, Italy on there. So if you try to book early, so if you want Cancun, Mexico, remember you can reserve it because sometimes their deals go away. So I'm going to show you. This $99 payment is how you reserve it. So when you click on the view deal and you hit reserve now, you can pay the minimum $99 for this deal. Instead of paying $4.99 and reserving it, you can reserve it for just $99. I'm going to go back. The reservation is $99. Okay? Reservation is $99. And I'm scrolling down for any of these. Okay? So, which is the hotel that we recommended? This is the last thing I'm showing you. $3.99 per couple is what you wanted. 5 days, 4 nights in a deluxe suite with all the meals and food included. It is the best decision of your life to go through bookvip.com. We give it 100%. Again, 100%, because it is just that incredible. And make sure you know which deal you're booking. I'm going to go up again. I'm going to click on bookvip.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting subscribe, like, and sharing it on your Facebook, especially if you book the trip. Everybody wants to know. That's the end of our tutorial for the Cancun, once again, Mexico trip that we have decided to give you through this review and tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope all your vacations are the best vacations. Take care and have a great day.